I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the Allure specification. So this vehicle's done less than 11,000 miles. It features 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.